Hi everyone, welcome to the screencast for March 1st. Schedule for the week. We have book fair previews this week. We have Culver's Dines for Donations this week, sponsored by the PTA. We have conferences this week. We have a lot of different things going on. We do not, however, have a staff meeting as it is conference week, so just be aware of that. Hey, last Thursday was our math and literacy night. I want to thank everybody that was able to help with that, setting up, planning. Special shout out to Becky Fry for all her work putting it together. I only took a few pictures. I wish I would have taken more, but it was a great time. So thanks to everybody that was able to participate and help with that. Conferences. I think I shared most of this last time, but we'll have that attendance information for you to go. So you just have to sign off on how many days they've missed. If you're interested in having me attend a conference, I have a few on there. Feel free to sign me up. Just also remind you that on Thursday, our conference dinner will be ready by 5 o'clock. It might even be ready by 4:30. So courtesy of the PTA. One person asked me to remind everyone that we all eat at different times, so just be aware that people might be eating later. We want to make sure we get some good stuff to eat for conferences. So thanks to our PTA for helping with that. Lunch and recess reminders. We know that recess and lunch are some of the tougher times, especially recess, and we want to support our paras out there. We want to support our kids out there by helping out a bit. Just remember that each teacher is responsible for being in the lunchroom for 5 minutes or out at recess for 5 minutes. If you've forgotten when that is or you need a reminder, I have a little graphic here, or you can sign on to the master schedule link and do that. Also, please remember to pick up your classes on time. If we don't pick up the classes on time, that kind of backs everything up, and we have more kids out there than we should at a time. So let me know if you have any questions on that. Appreciate everybody that's able to help with that. And we want to make things go smooth, and we want to make sure that we're supporting our great paras out there who have a tough job at that time of day to watch all those kids. So thank you for your help with that. And just again, here's the hashtag 271learns if you're interested in that. And that is all I have for today. A pretty short one, under 3 minutes. I think that's a record for me. Have a great rest of the day. See you Monday. Gear up for conferences. It is going to be a great week. Take care, everyone.